So guys, Thomas here, Tipper for Rc-Xtreme, Tom's gravel pit. Wonderful midday. With the Traxxas ERevo 2.0. Had a blast up at the mega gravel pit, probably the final session for this. Season, but I'm not 100% sure. I might go up there again. Had a blast. We're gonna do some, yep, out jumps. Or at least that's my goal. Perfect. Plain simple, perfect, guys. No, we broke it. Well, it was not a good landing. Well, it's we can't jump out, I would say. Well, you did see the landing, it was doomed. But I just left. Very good feeling out of this session. And 10 minutes after this. But I might know. Yeah, it didn't broke. Ripped out the pivot ball. And that's not the first time I'm doing that on this arc. So, time to change the arm. I think this is the second or third. As long as you keep landing good and not doing that kind of crap. More on Thomas. Just gonna get up there and I'm gonna shut it off. Well, it happens. That's the way it is. Yeah, it was a nasty hit, but time to change that arm. Well, that's it for this week and weekends bashing sessions. It was a really good one. So time to go home and edit. And let's see here. Next weekend, I might, because I'm going on a vacation, so I will not be able to bash over here in the mega pit. So I might take with me some cars. Well, that's it, guys.